just making a vlog. I feel like I'm trying to do this thing. I film so much, but I never edit.
Hey, all work, no pleasure. I ain't here to make friends, big stepper. Hey, bad guy, Heath Ledger.
Now we are here at factory. Ooh. For our weekly meeting, and here in the factory, Kimchi's over here. So our meetings are like 4:44 because one of my mentors told me that when you're supposed to do your meetings at like a very predictable time every week. So we set it to like 3:33, 4:44, but for us we found 4:44 to be the most effective before we go for our own dinner shifts. And okay, so now today it's a Saturday. We are out here at Gimmo Inc., one of our outlets. I think a friend is just eating our food, so we kind of came to say hello. And also, Mia has some of the samples we're doing. We're doing army stew, so we're gonna see if the army stew is gonna be good. We're gonna ask some customers to give us some feedback, then we'll see. So this is our main business that we run. So Jin Kimchi Express is like our Korean food stall. We have about 11 of these across, and we try to sell it for like quite affordable price, like $6.80 for sundubu soup, $6 for kimchi soup. So my friend said that he was here an hour ago eating our food, but he's gone now. I texted him. I think he's gone. It's fine. Oh well. I mean, he didn't come to find me, but I just kind of felt bad. I think he texted like twice in the group chat. But yeah. Oh, and then yeah, I think it's just nice. It's actually almost a bit too big. So this is something that we're doing. Make the design a little cleaner, and since the tray can be a little dirty, it also helps to promote like our new kimchi that's going into NTUC supermarkets, and then also like Grab delivery and stuff like that. So something that we're doing to kind of do cross-platform marketing. Why is Xiaomei here? Then who is at BDS now? Go on.
That's why I want to hire a female to build Pinterest. If it little or is it going? Female is very hard.
Oh, Mia, you know what I tell you? No?
Yeah, we already.
No. And then each individual column just one for the kimchi. So the first column is original, second column is spicy, third column is vegetarian. Then the other circle. So we keep us. As in, you have to have the two of the same circle, no man? For example, the top, if you want to have take this out also lah. Okay, no mind, it's fine. It's mine. I'll ask her to take this out first. This one level is original kimchi. You put it here. Second level, you put vegetarian kimchi. You put the third sticker here. Then third one, you just put this one here. This one all can take out already, ma. Then at least you neatly tidy up your product. Cannot just like that, then.
Because spicy lamb, according to the.
Yeah, correct. Vegetarian kimchi should be one column. Original kimchi should be one column, then like in another column, something like that. No, there's no point of you putting two the same sticker on the same fridge, right?
Yeah. To the.
Today we are trying to enter like supermarkets. We're still in the process of getting it listed, and so in the meantime we thought of leveraging our current locations to be a drop-off point and for Grab delivery as well, so customers can still order at the same price that we get in supermarkets in the near future. We're in some supermarkets but not all, so we thought of doing this first off Grab, and then I think Mia didn't really tell the operations side how to arrange the stickers and arrange like the promotional items to be sometimes it's really hard to get things moving when you're not like physically checking, because sometimes your employees would not understand you, and then they wouldn't really tell you that they don't understand the case like you scold them and stuff. For sometimes like you have an idea and then you tell them exactly what to do, and then they say okay, and then they always not always, but they also don't understand, and then they don't really execute, or they don't follow up with the right staff. So kind of operational issues that we always face. Need to always ask Mia to help out to make sure that everything gets good. So We're here for like a Grab open house. They wanted me to say hi to their boss, I think. Oh, my name fired. Yeah, so they wanted me to say hi to their boss. Managing director of Grab, from the Grab Merchant Center side. So I'm here to just graciously say hello and yeah, just introduce myself, I think. And then kind of thank Grab for, you know, the car that they gave me. Is it? I don't know. And I think just to say hi, because I don't really see my Grab partner so often. So here I am today. They're doing some event about like I think Grab merchant ads, Grab services, and like training and just general feedback. So this is the open house pamphlet. And so now we are going to say hello to Vanessa. She's our PIC, and then we'll see how that goes. I mean, usually they have it like upstairs here. Oh my god, why do I know Grab so much? It probably should be up the stairs. They have like a photo booth. Yeah, okay, so now it's I'm at the wrong place. It's supposed to be Grab open house at GMC there. So that's gonna be wow. So like that's the HQ. And then usually that side is the Grab GMC, so that is where it's at. Oh, why am I so familiar with Grab? I hate it. They don't give me enough low commission for me to do this for them, but you know, I love you, Vanessa. Hello, hello. I'm trying to promote Grab for you.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Coming. Hey. Should I call Vanessa? Let me go and call Vanessa. I'm waiting.
Should right away before I said this gonna give me 20% GP. That's a shame.
So far.
Wow. How are you?
Wait, have you met your twin?
My twin. Oh, hey, look. So this is Vanessa. She's gonna give me a 20% GP. Yeah. Oh, she said it. Oh, that's Aziza. Hello. Yeah, hello.
She knows you lah. Yeah, oh my god, you should meet your twin.
My twin.
Someone that we just hired.
Is he equally handsome?
If you think you're handsome, I guess he thinks she's handsome.
What do you mean he thinks he's handsome? So you're saying that I'm ugly but I think I'm handsome, is that what you're saying?
The kid looks exactly like you.
The kid?
Yeah, he's a kid.
The kid?
Wait,
I'm like, oh my.
Audacity of my GMC and Busan
Same
Swiss.
age as you lah.
The I think I'm cute but I'm ugly. That's that's basically what Vanessa says.
See, let me find the boys game. He just joined the team.
But thank you, Vanessa, for 20% GP. Like, I really appreciate it.
Hey, they give it to you in Thailand and not here. Okay?
I thought Mia was off today, but she wasn't, so...
Hey, you never asked for
I don't want to waste her time. The size of Vanessa.
I think you've already been an open house many times, but I think this time we change it to be in a seminar.
Why?
This is where we house the merchants anyways, and this is where we opened last year. What? You were here when we opened last year. Very expensive. Can you show?
What? Look at that.
Is that DJI 6? Is it 6, not 5?
3. Pocket 3.
Oh, okay, let me try. 18 years old.
Really?
Yeah.
So you don't think that, he's just trying to sell you more sesame oil? Alistair, you don't call right-handed.
I said, okay. I ordered 2 euros, 3 euros. Sesame oil. Because you say I'm cute.
Oh wow, Alistair, you're a married man playing this game, huh?